mwenu yonizagamba kebintu kabisa tuningabana ekyo kubanza no kubasima mwena abayijampa humunamba pango mukaija kutukwatsa okushendekereza omuguruso waitu oberuri inyuma yitumba oberuri inyuma yekanisa oberuri inyuma y'abamori oberuri inyuma y'ihanga mwabisigaye mubana mukora byona muyijampa kwatanisa netwe mwebare munonga icya kabiri ni nsima abahurira amakuru aga bakajana berikanga bakazumuka yitu okutuhumuriza tukanti mababere bari yaha ijo kutwezere na bode twashanga ekanisa ryaha batwakira batutagatsa nitubobo kutwabere twime bwatwamo mwene mwebare munonga ekanisa ebyo mugursi tingwanda kusoma history kandi tubitera umukatabomo ahi yashomeire ahi yashomeise ahi yaramwire imirimo yakozere eri umukatabo kutwabahereza nabo kintu muje kutunga obwire muberabe mu mbyetegereza ahubwo naza kubizamu nimba nashisha obwire tukamugambaho nko muntu w'amazima tukamugambaho nko muntu wabena ndo kushomesa tukamugambaho nko muntu wabena kwateshaha tukamugambaho nko muntu wa contributire this country. So everything is gonna come. But what I wanted to talk about, and I talked about it the other day, is that my dad was not sectarian at all. No, maybe if you are going to be available, umusankaga umbya politics, abantu bakabangana habwedini, bakabangana habwa tribe. And that was some, because of the problems in this country, because of those sectarian tendencies. I want to say, without any fear of contradiction, that my dad was never sectarian at all. He would not mind someone's religion, tribe, clan, etc. I thought I would emphasize that one. About the death, of course, agenzere ranga kamuhereze itungo yamuhereza abana yamuhereze bintu ebyensi omugoroso wanje abereye ne chat in fact nkigineho we akana atekateka akanagira ngo ente zitu zone zitwine yabakirho neze mwena kahandika ate bintu byange ente zange atahwese tuzona azugayita sitonkezi abana bange ataho abana nabo yisukuru naki akagumana ya updating o azarwa amwongeraho hato icyo cyo tikini mweno ranga kamuhereza itungo y'ebintu yamuhereza itungo ry'abana yamuhereza itungo ryeka nsimira mukama okureba ngo imyaka yeyo agenzerege mwe rero shazagenda kandi wari mu gishogu yebaze abantu bake icyo kubanza nyenda kwebaza. I want to thank the Ministry of Defense and the Uganda People's Defense Forces. Thank you for the contribution you made. Thank you for standing with me. I know we involved in very many activities of Taresita, but all of you, or at least a big number of very senior people, have come here to join me as I bid farewell to my dad. Ekindi abikwebaza naba aba family yitu anireho ugumiza izinga abekibena kitu kya 2008, and we have our organization called Friends of Greaton. Abe masaka bamuliwa badejagala muyimireko abantu babukubire mu ngaro group ya Feze patron of that association Friends of Greaton be bose myaro na group yo mwebare nyo kujya I recognize you. There's another group from Karungu which is also here. Abe Karungu Bugomora Babenge mwena mwebare nyo okujja kubera wano. Zagis Investment Club, thank you for being here. I'm just thanking really so that by 16:30 I'm done and the church has some 30 minutes within which to conclude this function. Finally, I wish to thank His Excellency the President who kept in touch with us when my mzee was sick. Even the day he passed on, His Excellency called me, Mr. President, akanterera isumu yansasara yagamba n'umukekuru wanjye yanyagira mwene nyaramutwara mu gishogu okumusimu mu mishoganyu okureba ngo nobora president yabera ari mirimo mingi konka akanyuska yuska tata yanterra yansasara ogwo mutumana wacyabagwine especially yabera umuntu mukuru mwene ningena ikitwara ubwire wingi ningera maybe umusho omuntu shime kwereka no shime kutandika kagero kuyagamba konka kananye no kubahereza umugisha gamba mwebare munonga abamori katata kana kundo ruganda rwe numanyangwa akahandika katabo kabamori abakicero bunyi mukatunga ko pejo kuyizere yagaruka yatunga ndisho muntu yakoragana nawe bahandika kitabo harubwera hako kana kunda bwera nakunda abamori mwe ntwafe rwo ko ruganda abukabera gikibaje mu ruganda rwite konka mwebare kwija kumbe nimbare banyikira mu ruro muri yo numugamba no muyekunda nahora nashimero munongo mutuma kandi muri cyo tugume twatansa tutisha kubaba mwe nebyo bike mukama umugurusi wanjye amuhereze ekifumuro kirungi. Thank you very much.